Hello guys, welcome to the iUltimate Concept. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to get your domain name and your hosting. And this is the first video I'm doing for this year. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I do really appreciate. Now let me go straight into my system to show you this tutorial. Now the first thing I have to do is to launch my browser, which is I'm using Chrome for this tutorial. You can use whatever browser you have on your system. So there are so many places you can be able to get your domain name and your hosting. Now places like Namecheap. Yes, you can get your domain name from Namecheap. This is Namecheap. You can also get your domain name from GoDaddy or domain.com. You can also get your domain name from domain.com and also your hosting. You can also get your domain name from Namesilo. And lots more. Any of them, yeah, they are good. But the one I'll be recommending, or should I say the one I'll be using, is Namecheap. Why I recommend Namecheap is because their customer service are always present to hear you out whenever your domain is down or whenever there's an issue, compared to the other sites. Now what you have to do is create an account with them. Any of them you want to use, their same procedure. You can just create an account with them, and after you are done creating an account with them, you can see sign up. If you already have an account, then you just have to just sign in. Now for Namecheap, I already have an account with them, so let me just show you how you can be able to have your own account. What you have to do is to sign up. Click on sign up button. Once you are done clicking on sign up button, then you have to I have to sign up button. Okay, let me cancel this. Alright, this is how it looks like. So once you click on sign up buttons, then they will tell you create an account. You click on username, you put in your username, your password, and make sure your password has a capital letter and also a special letter like @ your first name, your last name, and the email address. Make sure the email address you are inputting is a correct email address, because they'll be sending you a message to confirm the email you have just inputted. But I already have an account. The moment you just do this, automatically an account will be assigned to you. So what you have to do next is to sign in. Now when you click on the sign in button, you have to put in the username. Don't forget that you input from this place, then also the password. So once you click on sign in, they are going to send a message to that email for you to confirm that it is you that is about to sign in. So you see, Namecheap is very, very secure. You can see I just received an email, so I'm just going to click and copy this, and I'll take it to my Namecheap. I'll paste it and submit. So the moment I submit, automatically they will take me to my page. So you have just seen, this is how it looks like. So if I want to get a domain name, I can click on domain name search. Now I have to search for a domain name before I can be able to get it. So I can search innocenceandrew.com.ng or .com, then search. You can see my name is very, very much available. So innocenceandrew.com. So what I have to do is to add to cart. You see, once I add to cart, I'm also going to come up here. You can see it has added. Then I'm going to click on them. Now what I have to do next is, whenever you have added this, you have got your domain name. Now what you have to do is to get your hosting. So what you have to do is to select which hosting you want. So you just come to hosting. You can click on shared hosting. Yes, shared hosting is normally cheap. You can see $1 per month. You have 3 domain names assigned to that hosting, 3 websites, and 20 gig SSD, and also 30 domain name based mailbox. You can see also for $2. Now this $2 is every month. You have to pay $2, and for this every month you have to pay $1, and for this every month you have to pay $4. So you have to know what you want to use it for. Now you can see you can add 3 websites just in one domain, in one hosting you have gotten. So what this thing is trying to tell you is you can add innocentandrew.com, innocentandrew.com, you can see add innocentchiche.com, innocentchinechem.com. all of them can enter into this, but it have to be 3. So you can go for this lesser one, get started. You can see if you have a new domain name you are just buying, you can actually connect it. But if you have an existing domain name, you just have to click here and they'll ask you the existing domain name, is it from Namecheap or from a third party. If it's from a third party, you also have to click and you just have to put the third party name here and connect it once. But since the domain name we are getting is from Namecheap, so we don't have to do that. So what we have to do is to just click on Namecheap, and already in carts, you see. Once I click on Namecheap, don't forget we already add our this thing on the Innocent Andrew on this is on our carts. Now you can see the money have actually reflected. So now I already in carts, this is it. You see it has come here, one domain name. If you have several domain names, it's going to pop out here, then you select the one you want, then you see it have totally summarized the bill for this domain name, for this domain name and hosting. Don't forget our domain name is $90.58, while our hosting have just been added to it. So you see, for a whole year, don't confuse, for a whole year is $22.88. So once you have confirmed this, just add to cart. So once you add to cart, you just come up here, you can see automatically it's going to pop out to submit directly. So if you have a promo code, you can use it here, or if you don't have, you can actually leave it. Well, if you have a promo code, they'll give you a discount on what you are purchasing. So you have to confirm what you are buying. Domain registration innocent.com with correct, domain privacy 1 year subscription correct. So you can put 2 years, you can buy for 2 years, you can buy for 1 year, you can buy for just 1 month. You can decide to be paying for 1 month. Every month they have to debit you. So you see, you can actually do that. But I always advise get for 1 year or better still 6 months. There are some name registers like Namecheap, NameSilo. It gives you leverage to buy for 6 months, 3 months, and all of it. So whenever you are done, what you have to do is just to confirm order. And once you click on confirm order, you just have to wait. Although it's very bad, I'm not getting this. I'm just trying to show you. You see, I already have an account attached to this. You see, I already have an account attached to this account number. So I'm going to either use this card or use a different card. So I'm going to leave this like this. Domain name registration innocent.com. Then the moment save your confirmation above to my default payment settings, then I'm just going to click. The moment I click continue, they'll automatically debit me, and they'll say I should submit an OTP code, which I'm not going to do that now. So the moment I click submit, I'm getting this domain name live and direct. So the moment you get this domain name, automatically everything about this domain name will be sent to you on your email. How you can be able to log in your cPanel, and not just that, how you can be able to have access to your domain name. Why your domain name will just come into your dashboard where you have everything. You just drop into your domain board, and you can see inside your account, your dashboard, you can see the domain name you are managing. So you will see it. You can see I'm managing Solomon Digital Hub. So you can see the domain name you'll be managing, Whitegate Cargo, and lots more. So you see expiring dates. You also have access to know which date each domain is going to expire, and also here will give you the ability to change your DNS and the rest. So the moment you do this, you are good to go. So that is all about getting your domain name and also your hosting. Thank you so much for joining me on today's class. Hope to see you some other time. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel